Hello, so in this video I'm gonna showcase to compare two different code assistants. One is Copilot, another one is Cursor, right? So I think for Cursor you actually pay a lot more. I think it's $20 a month. And right now Copilot is actually free. You can get like a more pro account on $10 a month. But as per my experience, Cursor is a lot better by long shot because here you can see. Wait, let me maybe move it myself away. As you can see here, I can showcase different um, yeah, LLM models I can use. Here is like Sonnet Max, but for this one I have to pay additional fee. And Cloud 3.7, I don't think it is available in VS Code. So in this example, I'm gonna at first try to showcase Copilot, and then later on how Cursor will stack against it. So for example, in this project, I have to migrate Java into Rust. I know generically a little bit about Rust, but I'm vividly trying to improve upon it. So let's just continue. I already created a README, and these two functions on already work. Now I'm gonna just copy this one, based on uh, it belongs. The first functions already work. Just gonna copy this message and wait, because here I pass in the directory and it already has Java context that it needs. Let's see here how it's gonna work out. So for example, here I have XML. I think I already have XML method. And now it specifies where should I put it in. And this is free. So XML method to handle. I think XML I had here. Is connection alive? Does it do the right thing? Okay, it actually gives me the right XML method implementation because here I have right now 3 added. Let's see if it actually does what's needed. Now it just applies. Okay, and here it adds a new XML method in the impler block. Scan readers, okay. Card services, services, card services. Let's see. Here it adds a block, keep, update XML calls. I think I already have the XML calls. Scan readers. I'm not sure why is it adding additional field, because here I already have the XML fields as required. Okay, it gives out the response. I'm not sure if this is actually correct, but let's try it. And I'm now gonna ask if, based on README, it's gonna understand how to. Did I update my README? Yes. Let me ask actually here how it's gonna work. Based on the README MD in smart card directory, can you? Oh, see, didn't even understand. So it just acted without my intention. Let me just stop it and try again. I think you didn't follow based on readme md in smart card directory. Can you start the cargo run? Didn't let me finish. No, it changes directory. It's not what I meant. Anyhow, okay, I'm gonna just write here. So it already has some issues as we can see. Read me provided. Can you start the project and test the new implemented function? Okay, maybe now it's gonna understand me. Okay, I don't think I actually need to update. Create the call reader. What does it adjust? Because I have name card present. PSC, I don't know, I have already PS. XML context. No, he didn't follow. If I, for example, city, smart card, cargo, run, it's not gonna work. Because here I defined the way it should be ran. Readme. It has to be with bin. Let's see. Maybe I can connect a different smart card. Scan connected routers, okay. Okay, let me just... Can I try like that? No, it just terminate. Okay, nothing I can do about it. Let's add a new one. Let me just copy this one. Actually add the terminal. So something is not as great. Copy. Didn't found anything. Plus have additional smart card connected for test. Because here I actually should get, I think, just card info. Where is it? Try transmit now. Card. No, maybe it's here. Card reader, okay. List readers, okay. So I think actually I have the right function, list readers. Okay, it actually can analyze. Let me see, where is it? XML, RPC, handler. No, I don't have it. So you can see I don't think it's as great, but controllers. Do I have to edit XML? Scan readers. It's just to update this function. Scan readers. And then it should be inside here. Okay, let's see if it's gonna change. Okay, here it's XML. No, but I shouldn't call it here, I think. Because here it's controller. Controller shouldn't do the function calls, to say the least. Where did it do? Card service. Card services. Here I have card services. Okay, nothing saved. Okay. Here it showcases quite different, but it's still like quite similar to VS Code. Where did I have the prompt? I think I put the prompt somewhere again. And here I have Cloud 3.7 on it, so it's a lot better. Okay, let me see if it's gonna understand now. On this one. Okay. Does it as well have ask? Okay. Let's now do the have second smart card reader connected, so it should give out to smart card readers. Should caching be done in txt for now? Because not using db as for now. Check whole repo, smart card, and assess how to do it best. Okay, because it's an actual smart card. After run it with and test with XML, and the XML was not read balance, not get certified. Where is it? Not check initialization. Read counter is done. Okay, let's see how it's gonna proceed compared to VS Code. So you can see it generates, but hopefully it's not gonna adjust a lot of things. Scan readers. Do I have scan readers? Okay, it actually listed 8, so it understands stuff a lot more. It lists everything that is required and its amount. Okay, it's reading. Utility. Okay, it wants to add a utility. So here it gives me a lot more organized step. Let me just check one thing. Cursor. Let me see how much I still have. Account settings. One thing that I wanted, okay, I can show it later. Okay, now it actually adds a cache, and as you can see, it added automatically. This is actually I'm quite interested in. Cache dir, so it's gonna add a cache directory. Readers, name, has card, storage, from storage, okay. Now it asks to add a new mod, okay. Card services. So let's go here and check what is adding. It's adding a cache. That makes a lot of sense. Now it goes to global errors, storage errors, okay. And to be frank, I'm not that good with Rust, but I really want to learn it a lot better, even if it's I don't know, using the AI assistance help. I'll read through the whole repo once like some of the more functionalities are done to at least as well understand, because vibe coding it can work, but it's as well good to understand of the implementation to at least guide it a lot better, right? So now it goes into service card services. Let's see what it's doing. So I have reader test file, and it added what exactly does it? Scan readers. Okay, it added scan readers. I don't think I have it anywhere else, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, it has this one, but this one is just okay, it's an XML. Okay, so that one actually does make sense. File path, and now it wants to update the, where is it? Let's see all the files. Controller. Okay, it added STT collection hash map. Okay, that does make sense. Okay, this one I really like it because it adds a new XML method, because it's inside impler. I handle the request, and here I pass all the requests that are needed. Okay, this actually makes a lot of sense. And this one, what is this one? XML. Okay. This is a relatively really hard project because it's converting from Java, and I have memory safety in mind, so best option for me was to use Rust, even though I just started learning it a while back. So it's wanna add a new field here. Okay, and you can see here it showcase run smart card. Okay, it has some issues, but obviously cannot do. Let me see. ls cargo run then smart card. What is an issue? Oh no, here it shows. Okay. Okay, now it runs, because you can see I was in parent and it went here, and now it's generating, and now it should ask for calling the XML methods. So that I have to find here. Let's see how it does. Actually, I can copy this one. Don't actually have to wait as much. Copy. Because it is already running here. Sometimes it has some issue that it just doesn't do the next call. Let me check here actually. Okay. As you can see, it actually did give me out. Let me just cancel it. Stop. Did it actually give me two? Somewhere I had to have not in debug, no. Okay, here I have cache. Has card false. Let me, for example, now disconnect one of my smart cards that actually has the card connected. Wait, let me just run this again. Where I can actually add a new one. Cargo, cargo, run, bin, smart card, run, bin, smart card. Okay, it's running. And now let's test this one. Occur command, copy. Now I think it should actually create. Okay, it overrode the previous one, but it does work. And as you can see, compared to VS Code, it's a lot more seamless. Obviously here you can get it for free, but this one is a lot more efficient and it gives me step by step. It even assists me, for example, if I have SSH to a particular provider like AWS or GCP, it can go through the whole process. So it's a lot more worth it, I would say. Even though it's $20, I think I'm gonna continue using it. Here is currently my use case. GPT 4o mini for Cursor Small has no limit, but I use some of the requests. And here, for example, Premier model that I have here, Cloud 3.7 Sonnet. I use some, I guess almost a half of my monthly balance, right? And it's $20 a month. Okay. Oh, Copilot Pro is as well $20 a month. Anyhow, I hope you like this video, you learned something new. Hope you have a nice one and see you in the next one. Cheers.